Have you ever thought about how you could earn more money without working harder? Well, the truth is that most people believe they need a high-paying job to achieve financial success. However, there are other options that you can explore. You see, one of these options is to start a business that generates cash flow from day one. Before we dive right into the top 5 cash flow business ideas, let's quickly explain what a cash flow means. Cash flow is the amount of money that flows in and out of a business. When you have more positive cash flow, it means that you have more money coming in than going out. And this is what we want to achieve with these business ideas. So, the first high return on investment cash flow business idea is starting an e-commerce store. You see guys, in today's digital age, e-commerce has become a highly lucrative industry with endless possibilities. Picture this guys, with an e-commerce store, you can tap into its booming industry and start selling products online to make a profit. Setting up an online store is easier than ever, and with the right product and marketing strategy, you can be on your way to success. You can sell anything from handmade jewelry to electronics, clothing, and even home decor. The key is to identify a product that has a high demand and low competition, which will help you stand out from the crowd. One of the benefits of having an e-commerce store is the low overhead cost of drinks. You don't need to worry about rent, utilities, or other expenses associated with a brick-and-mortar store. Additionally, you can operate an e-commerce store from anywhere in the world, giving you flexibility to work on your own time. For example, let's say you decide to create an online store for kids, and your intention is to encourage parents or their guardians to educate their kids or relatives on the importance of saving and value. You then buy these kids a piggy bank for $10, just like this, and sell it for $20. In doing so, you've effectively made $10 of profit on this piggy bank item. Now, if you sell 10 of these products a day, you'll be making a profit of $100 a day, which translates to $3,000 a month. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up, as it helps the YouTube algorithm share my video to many people like yourselves. Alright, now let's move on to the next high return on investment cash flow business idea. Number 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is another e-commerce business idea that has gained popularity in recent years. With dropshipping, you don't need to worry about stocking inventory or shipping products to your customers. Instead, you just have to partner with a supplier who would handle everything for you, allowing you to focus on marketing and making sales. Oh, and one of the benefits of dropshipping is the low startup cost. You see, you don't need to worry about buying inventory upfront, which can save you a significant amount of money. Additionally, you can test out different products and niches without worrying about the risk of being stuck with an unsold inventory.
HDS, sir, and how are you this afternoon? Alrighty then.
Fuck, bitch. Guys, one of the great benefits of dropshipping is its scalability. As the business grows, you can easily scale up your operations by adding more products and expanding your marketing efforts. For example, you can sell a product for $50 and source it from a supplier for $30, making a profit of $20. So if you sell 5 of those items a day, you will be making a profit of $100 a day, which translates to $3,000 a month for you. Number 3. Content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, you can turn your skills into profitable business. By starting a YouTube channel just like mine, or a blog, or a podcast, you can share your knowledge and expertise with others while earning money through sponsorships, ads, and affiliate marketing. One of the keys to success in content creation is identifying a niche that you are passionate about and that has a dedicated audience. This will help you create valuable content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Another important aspect of content creation is consistency.
Evening. Ron Burgundy is off tonight. I'm Veronica Coinst. Tonight's top story.
Okay, we're off and running.
Ski mask made off with over $20,000 from an area bank in a daring early morning robbery.
You see, you need to create and publish content on a regular basis to keep your audience engaged and grow your channel or your followings. Over time, as your audience grows, you can start monetizing your content through sponsorships, ads, and affiliate marketing. What's not to love about that? Number 4, social media management. Guys, social media has become a crucial marketing tool for businesses for all sizes. However, not everyone knows how to use social media effectively. This is where social media managers like yourselves come in. As a social media manager, We can help businesses create and manage their social media accounts, post content, and engage with their audience. One of the benefits of a social media management is the flexibility. You see, you can start working from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Additionally, you can set your own hours and choose clients you want to work with. It's very important to understand in order for you to succeed as a social media manager, you need to have good communications and organizational skills. You also need to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in social media marketing. Number 5, rental business. If you have a spare room, a car, or any other asset that you can rent out, you can start a rental business. This can include anything from renting out your room on Airbnb to renting out your car on Turo. One of the benefits of a rental business is a passive income. You see, once you set up your rental business, you can sit back and watch the money roll in. Additionally, you set your own rate and choose the times when you want to rent out your asset.
Obviously, you gentlemen came in on another boat.
We seek meager accommodation.
Excuse me?
We require a room that is very...
Hey, still, yo, wait, still, mother... And don't be...
This means that you can adjust your prices depending on the demand and supply, and you can also choose to rent out your property only during peak seasons to maximize your profit. For instance, if you have a beachfront property, you can rent it out for higher rates during the summer months when people are looking for vacation rentals. I must warn you, however, that running a rental business requires some level of management and organization, so you have to be on your A game. You need to ensure that your assets are well maintained and in condition, and that your guests are happy with their stay. This means providing excellent customer service, responding to queries properly, and addressing any issues that may arise. One way to make your rental business more manageable is to hire a property management company. Property management company can take care of the day-to-day operations of your rental business, including cleaning and maintenance, guest communication, and booking management. While this entails additional expenses, it can also provide you peace of mind and free up your time to focus on other ventures. For example, let's say you rent out a room on Airbnb for $100 a night, and if you have a 70% occupancy rate, you'll be making a profit of $2,100 a month. What's not to love about that? And there you have it, guys. Starting a business is not easy, but it can be rewarding if it's done right. The key here is to find a business idea that you are passionate about and that has the potential to generate cash flow from day one. Remember what I said, from day one. You see, with the top 5 high return on investment cash flow business ideas I just shared with you today, we have a starting point to explore and take action. Remember, the key to success is taking action. So you tell me, which of the business ideas resonate with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more finance education videos. Also, make sure to click the notification bell icon so you can receive an alert each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember to always stay money smart. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.